Guess what's in the box? Guess what's in the box? Guess I'm very heavy with, look at me, from Best Buy, and it was around. I'm going to test it out and then
A fairy, yeah, yeah, she was a fairy, yeah, yeah, she was a fairy, yeah, yeah, she was a fairy.
Hi guys, hello. So welcome back to my channel. Alright, what I'm really excited about, la la, guess what's in the box? Guess what's in the box? Guess what? Hey guys, hi. So for a thumbnail, let's get one. Oh my god, the lighting is horrible. The lights are a little bit bright. Anyways, so for those looking to buy a new camera, I just bought one. I bought it from Best Buy, but it's the Sony digital camera ZV-1F, and I'd like to show you what came into the box. So of course it came into the regular brown box, and then I don't know, the lighting seems a bit wild right here, but we're trying to work with it. And then of course it came into this box, and I want to show you what's on the inside. Thumbnail. Alright, so let's get into it. What's in the box? Let's change the angle a little. So this is how the box looks, and then let's open it. So we have the manuals and stuff like that. Let's go back on this one. Now we have the camera. Let's bring you up a little bit. Look the camera. This is how it looks. It's not very heavy with without the battery in it, but I would say I need something like to clip onto it, so in case it doesn't fall and stuff like that for me. It comes with a covering for the lens, and then so it clicks off, and you can just click it back on. Hold on, let me see if it click on. Oh no! Whoa! We don't want to damage it. Yeah, hold on. All right, and I think it's good. All right, and then you have the lock part, so you can unlock it, and the battery part. No, what else is inside? See the camera. It comes with a sound, I think it's the wind, to block the wind part, and what else is on the inside? Of course you have the cables, and the most important other part is the battery. Yay! So we have the battery. Alright, so let's drop in the batteries, and there's like a little clip thing that clicks it in. Alright, you lock it back, you have the buttons right here to turn it on. Is it on? Oh yeah. Oh well, I turned it off. Okay, wait, the battery. Alright, the battery's kind of low. Let me turn off. This is how it looks. Alright, and you can pop it out. Alright, so let's see what we see. So let's see how we look. The light one is a bit in and out. Alright. Look at me! Alright. That's pretty cool, that's pretty dope. Okay, I have no memory card in it as yet, so that's what I need to put in. But yeah, my camera. Alright, I'm going to get a memory card for it, a case for it so I don't drop it. Let's tap in a case for it, and probably one of those strings so I can hold on to it like a lanyard, and then we can start trying to work it. It's like, all right, so that's it for my camera. I can't wait to try it out, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. Bye. For the camera so far, I need to put in a memory card in it. The lighting are coming from outside. I need to put in a memory card in it. That's one thing I need to do. Two, I need to get a case for it. I want to get a battery charging thing because the battery is low, and I need like an external outlet so I can charge the batteries. So I need to get that, and I want to get a lanyard so I don't drop it. So I need to get those things for it before I start using it. So I'm going to look it up tonight and see if I can get some stuff delivered before I start using it. It's not that heavy, so it's not lightweight, but it's not that heavy. Yeah, I was trying to link my iPhone to the camera, but my iPhone, I changed my location to Jamaica now, and it's the creators app for the Sony is not available in Jamaica. I tried to change it to US, it's still not come up, so I have to figure that part. But otherwise, I'm excited. Alright, bye. Before I said bye, I should tell you, like, I buy from Best Buy and it was around 420 inclusive of tax, and that's just for the camera, right? I also buy a tripod that I'm using right now, and that was like for $30. And I bought, what did I buy? A tripod, a memory SIM card. So I have a memory card here, and I bought a memory card, and the memory card was like for another $30 or something like that. Yeah, it was like 64 gigabyte or it's 128 gigabyte, one of the two. So in total I think I paid like around $490, $498 for everything. I think it's around that. Yeah, so it's a bit pricey, but I'm going to take it as an investment. When I was younger, I usually have multiple cameras when I was in high school, and then they started get acne, and then I started to get acne, and I didn't feel good like taking my pictures anymore. I'm very insecure somewhat. I never wanted to take photos of myself back then. So my mom used to buy me like multiple cameras back in high school. Hopefully I can find some pictures to include here, like I usually post on Facebook and stuff like that. But then I got acne and I got very conscious of how I look. So I stopped taking photos, so to say. But now I'm trying to get back in the habit of doing it, so let's see. Yeah, anyways, the lighting I play with me a bit because the sun is about to set and the trees and all of that, the lighting. But yeah, bye. That was a bit of a ramble. I'm going to test it out and then I'll give you my review about the camera after. Bye. Where them fans at? Where them fans at?